Open Trimble Access and create a new job. Define the job properties based on the units and coordinate system you want to use. These should match the properties of the design file you are laying out with the TinySurveyor. Once you have defined your job properties, click Store and Accept. This will return you to the home screen of Trimble Access. From there, click the stack icon in the top left of the screen, then click Settings, Survey Styles, and then click New at the bottom of the Survey Styles menu. Name the new style TM or VRS or something similar. The style type is GNSS, click Enter in the bottom right and then click Rover Options. Set your broadcast format to VRS, CMR, set your antenna type based on what GPS sensor you use, and turn off IMU tilt compensation if you have a sensor with an internal IMU. The TinySurveyor has its own IMU that it will use to compensate for slope during layout. Click Accept and then click Rover Data Link. Define the type as Internet connection and then click the right arrow next to GNSS Contact. Now click New at the bottom of the screen and name your GNSS contact. If you use different networks across different states, then you may want to indicate which state this contact is for in the name. Leave the network correction setting to controller internet unless you are connecting to the internet directly from a modem in your GPS. Now click the Corrections tab and enter the connection settings for your specific network. These settings will typically include a username, password, IP address, and port number. The settings entered in this video are for a now defunct server for the Utah VRS network. Please do not copy these settings as they no longer work even in the state of Utah. Click Accept twice to return to the Survey Style menu. The last thing we need to do is enable our survey style for NMEA output. Scroll to the bottom of the survey style options and click NMEA Outputs. Leave the Use Job Coordinates box unchecked. Define message 1 as GGA and set the rate to 0.05 seconds or 0.1 seconds depending on what your GPS is capable of. This number directly corresponds to the Hertz rate, either 20 or 10 Hertz. Make sure the receiver port is set to 1 and that the baud rate is 115/200. Leave all other settings to the default and then click Accept. Make sure to click Store at the bottom of the screen once you return to the Survey Style menu. You should now see your new style in the list of available styles. Congratulations, you are now ready to use your new VRS Survey Style in conjunction with your TinySurveyor layout robot.